If your company does international business, or if it relies on products made in other countries, you really ought to keep an eye on foreign exchange rates. The Federal Reserve Board has years of daily, monthly, and annual history of U.S. foreign exchange rates. So if you need an exchange rate on a particular date in the past, the FRB probably has it. And that means your Excel formulas can return it easily. These charts build on that ability. When new data is available, the charts update automatically to show the FX rate for each of the past 25 months and for each of the past 25 days available. I've set this workbook up to show the rate for 3 currencies, the euro, the yen, and the pound sterling. Because you can download this workbook, I'll go over it quickly. First, I'll show you how it works. I can choose Japan to show the exchange rate for the yen. I can choose UK to show the exchange rate for pound sterling. And I can choose euro to show that currency. Now let's see how this is done. Here's the worksheet that supports the charts. The data validation table works with the list option of Excel's data validation feature. You can explore how it works when you download the workbook. For now, I'll just say that when you choose a currency in the chart page, the cells B1 and B2 return the series ID for the country you've chosen. Some of the series IDs return the US dollar in the numerator and some in the denominator. So the formulas in cells B3 through B6 put the dollar in the denominator and adjust the label as needed. Now let's see where the data comes from. Row 8 contains the back index value. The minus 25 always refers to 25 periods ago. Minus 1 would refer to the current period, and so on. So this formula returns the date for the period 25 months ago. And this formula adds a carriage return that forces the chart to display the month and year in 2 separate rows. This formula inverts the value if needed. Here, for example, the formula divides the FRB's value into 1, which tells us how many euros $1 could buy on October 1, 2009. Finally, this formula tells us how many euros the dollar could buy on September 30, 2011. And because the FRB updates this data regularly, you can update this figure easily. You just open it and recalculate. This is Charlie Kidd, and I'll see you in the next video.